TesStudio CyberPack steering wheel with lights for Model 3 and Model Y. Quick 5-minute installation, no complicated steps required, and you can immediately enjoy its benefits. We've innovatively added indicator lights so you can stay in control at all times. The stylish and modern design feels comfortable in your hands and makes controlling your car easier. It's not just for driving, it's for communication. When you press the accelerator, red lights illuminate from the center outwards. When you release the accelerator, the car's regenerative braking function triggers green lights to illuminate from the edges back to the center. Let's check out the lighting effect at night. It serves as a great reminder. Whether you're making a left or right turn, the lights will illuminate and flash in the direction you're turning, which is a great reminder for drivers who often forget to turn off their blinkers. If you're speeding without realizing it, the acceleration red lights will start flashing rapidly, providing a visual warning so you can quickly adjust and avoid any unnecessary risks. Whether you're a driving enthusiast who loves pushing your car to the limit or someone who values convenience and safety, this is perfect for you. The intuitive light system ensures you're always aware of your driving conditions without needing to check the dashboard, allowing for a more focused driving experience.